What's happening, YouTube world? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to review this Ryobi, this 12-inch sliding miter saw. So stay tuned and check me out, unboxing, and I'll describe and talk to you about it. It's my first one ever at this size. I had a 7¼ inch one, but that just wasn't doing the job for me, so I needed a bigger one, and I'm trying to get into this woodworking. I'm really amped up and trying to get these projects made. So stay tuned and enjoy. Thank you. Get to it. This bag, that ain't gonna do much. Instruction booklet, alrighty. Down in here, the pull out extensions. Some clamp holders. Massive. A little handle on here. I'll bring this down on the floor. Cool. Alright, so here you have it. We have it out of the box. It's a 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. The laser. That's going to be pretty cool. It's model TSS120L. And let's check out the specs here on this thing. So we got the sliding with a little lever back here. Bring it up forward. Right now I have it in a lock position. Pull this plug out. Slide it up. There is no safety button hold, you just hold it down and go at it. Alrighty. Now lock this back in. Alrighty. Check out the blade. It's a 40 carbide teeth, general purpose 12-inch. Comes with the machine. So got these little leg extenders for your material. And those things, I believe, need to be unscrewed and then fed in from the bottom. Alright, those are screwed in. Now that's one thing I don't like about this I've seen right now, is that these do not slide all the way in. I don't know if you can see that. This one right here, that's it. That's all it does. So that's one downside, no really big deal. I'm sure they have other machines out there that do slide in, but this is my first one. So far so good. Just minor little things like that, no big deal. Alright, now got this little dust bag, just slips right here on the top, or you can put in your vacuum hose. The stopper clamp here just slides right here in the hole. Alrighty, I'm just gonna check for some squareness. Let's pop this baby up. Pretty square right here, but it does bend in over here a little. Might have to do some adjustments there. just turn it and unscrew this. There's a little lever here. And a little leg. Alright guys, so I'm checking the squareness of the fence, and it's pretty darn good. Gets right in there, yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, so before I start cutting, I'm seeing that the measurements are a little bit off. If you see where the laser is, and then where the blade hits, can you see that? Yeah, it's not really lined up correctly, so I'm going to try and do some adjustments and see if I can get that fixed. There's a little laser adjuster up here, so I'm going to fiddle with that and see if that works. Alright, so I fiddled with the laser adjustment and I got it pretty darn close, if not perfect, right on that laser line. Just right on the edge of that blade to the laser line. Check it out. So let's get some cuts going. Okay, so I got some scrap baseboard here that from my old baseboards that I'm removing and putting some new ones. So I'm gonna do a little test cut, do maybe 4 inches wide, and see how that comes out. So everything is plugged in. Everything is plugged in and ready to go. Let's go to measure it to 4. Right there. Get a good firm hold down, push it down and back to the fence. Alright, here we go. Safety glasses, of course. Let's go. Wait for it to stop. Alright, pull it up. Check out this cut. Pretty smooth on the outside, a little tear out on the back, but that's no big deal. It is the blade that it came with. So let's check out this measurement. Right on the dot, 4 inches. Pretty darn good. Alright, let's do some bevel cuts. I'll remove this. Let's do some bevel cuts. Stand it up, turn it 45 degrees. First you gotta twist this, loosen it. Alright, it's locked in place, tighten it up. We'll do another 4 inches. Right there. Alright. Let's let it rip. Nice and smooth. Look at it, look at it. Nice, smooth. Perfect. Let's get another angle. Let's flip it to the other side. Alright, tighten it up. It's time to do up to number 6. Tight and firm. Stop. There we go. These two together, you got a nice inside corner. And this is old stuff too, so it'll come out pretty nice. Even with the end. There you go. No gaps. Check it out. So we're going to cut off some angle cuts, flat angle cuts, so you can make it like picture frames. So I've already got one done. Let's quickly get this other one in there. And let's let it rip. This piece right here. There you go. That's a better one. There you go. Got the cut. 90 degrees. Alright, so I found some wood here. Some piece of pallet wood broken. I want to straighten it out. Maybe use it for a future project. Straighten it out. See how much I'm getting off of it. Very smooth. I mean, the blade that this comes with is very good. Well, this is garbage. And we got a nice little piece here we can use for something. You never know. Alright, so I got my new molding here. I'm going to have a little broken off piece here, so I'm going to straighten that out and see how this all does. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, so I'm going to be using this. Finish up my room with the new baseboards. Alright, so I moved around here a little bit trying to cut some of these baseboards down, and I found something that is a little tricky to do. And it doesn't let you do it on this saw. And I want to show you that the little flaw that this has. So I'll turn the camera around, zoom in, and show you what's going on when I cut the miters. Alright, so I have it as a miter cut, 45 degrees, and what was happening is with the longer cuts, I was trying to get the angle down. When I come down and start cutting, the motor hits the top of the molding, and so the blade doesn't go all the way down. So it stops right about there because it's stopped by the molding here. I'll turn the camera around to show you that. Alright, so I bring it down and then it stopped right there. It doesn't go all the way down. I'll do a bevel cut for the miter. So I'll adjust that real quick. See if I can get this shot in there for you guys. Alright. 0. Tighten it up. Do a bevel cut. 45. Tighten it up. And you can lay a piece flat. And then you can go all the way through. And cut your miter that you needed. Alright? So that's one little tiny flaw here in this 12 inch. I mean, this is a 5 1/8 baseboard, so it just doesn't cut all the way through. So you have to bevel it down and cut it that way. Alright. So this is the 12 inch sliding miter saw from Ryobi. It was a great deal. It was the same price as a 10 inch. Alright everybody, so that's it for the review on the Ryobi 12 inch sliding miter saw. It's the TSS120L, and it's a great saw. If you guys are looking for a saw for yourself, give this one a try. You never know, you might like it as well. Alright, till next time, see you later.